I have some influencer friends and I'm bringing you the tea in this video. Hey guys, what's up? Social Sam here. Welcome back to my channel where I teach you all about social media for creators and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 hacks influencers use to make their feeds and photos look eye-catching and cohesive. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can delete the photo bombers in the background. You know how there's always a photo bomber in the background of your favorite pics? Well, it's the same for influencers, and since they're always filming in the popular areas, they usually have to delete some people in the background to make it look less crowded. And sometimes you just want the photo to look less cluttered. Thankfully, there's a way to remove them in a few seconds. There's many apps you can do this with, but I do it in the app called RETOUCH. So let me show you how it works. After you upload a photo, tap Quick Repair, adjust the size of the brush and swipe over the person. So there we go, he's gone. If the result isn't perfect, you can always adjust it a little bit. Alright, so that's how you get rid of the photo bombers. The second influencer secret is editing the sky. Now, this might sound crazy and might not be for you, but you can actually make the sky prettier by adding stars, the moon, or even a sunset. The app you can do this with is called QUICKSHOT, so let me show you how it works. First, let's upload a photo with the sky, for example this one, and find the effect you like. You can also edit the effect by adjusting the opacity, the amount of details, and so on. Alright, so that's how you make the sky prettier, but please don't over-exaggerate with these effects because there's a fine line between making a photo more interesting and fake AF. Alright, so the third secret you might have heard about already, but it's such a big part of why influencers' feeds are looking cohesive that I had to include it in this video, and that is Lightroom presets. Lightroom presets can make your photo go from average to Insta-worthy in just a few seconds. So what is Lightroom? It's a desktop and a mobile app that affects colors in your photo. I actually created this free Lightroom preset for you guys, which is one of my favorites. You can download it by clicking the link in the description. Alright, so let me show you how it works. Lightroom can get pretty complicated, so let me simplify it as much as possible. First, download the free Lightroom mobile app. Then import the photo you'll get by clicking the link in the description and save it. Every time you want to apply this preset, simply upload your new photo, then copy the settings from my preset photo and paste it to the new one. So I hope this makes any sense. So this should work for most photos, but sometimes it needs a little adjusting. You can also create different presets yourself or buy them on Etsy for a few bucks. Alright, so now that we got the presets down, it's time for the secret number 4, and that is expanding the photo. Okay, so this is another good one. If your photo doesn't fit Instagram's format and you don't want to crop it, you can actually use this app to expand your photo a little bit. Let me show you. So as you can see, I can't crop this photo any further. If I crop it like this, I would cut my legs out, and if I crop it like this, I'm missing half of my head. So we'll expand the photo on both sides to solve this. The app we're gonna do it with is called SNAPSEED. Upload a photo, click expand, and begin slowly expanding the photo on both sides, bit by bit, like this. Alright, so here it is. Now I can post the photo without cropping it in crazy places. Alright, so the fifth secret is adding effects like rain, snow, sun rays, or even a moon to your photos with an app called Lens Distortions. So let me show you how it works. So you just upload a photo to the Lens Distortions app and add effects like moon, sun, rain, snow, and so on. Just swipe and try and find an effect you like. You can also adjust the opacity to make it look a bit more natural. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something new. Please let me know which hack was your favorite in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool videos like this. See you in the next one!